You feel it every day, don't you? That gnawing frustration, a deep rage at how the world pretends to offer freedom, but only chains you tighter inside invisible cages. Liberal democracies promise safety, stability, equality. But what you really get is a fragile illusion, a house of cards waiting for the slightest gust. You watch leaders stumble, systems corrupt, voices silenced by noise or apathy, and wonder, how can something built on freedom feel so dangerously unstable? That fear is not paranoia, it's reality knocking at the door. But here's the brutal truth nobody wants to say out loud. Stability in liberal democracies isn't a given. It's a constant battle. It's a tense wire act, and it was never meant to last if you stay passive, if you settle, if you let yourself be swallowed by comfort and false security. What's killing stability is not enemies across borders, it's the decay inside, the disengagement of those who should lead, the quiet betrayal of the ordinary citizen who checks out, thinking their voice won't matter anyway. You know this too well. The system pretends to serve you, but it substitutes your potential with compliance, passion with bureaucracy, real power with hollow promises. This isn't just political doomsaying, it's a call to arms for every founder, investor, professional, and leader who senses the cracks and refuses to watch the whole house collapse. You've been warned. Stability is not a place to rest. It's a battlefield to conquer. So how do you fight? First, stop waiting for the system to fix itself. That's a trap, a mirage. You have to become the stability you want to see. That means abandoning loyalty to falling flags, old doctrines, tired rituals. Your greatest power is your individual will to break free from inherited constraints, to reject the illusion of freedom sold to you wrapped in chains. This is not a vague motivational platitude. It's a tactical, brutal, unmissable step. Refuse to be a cog in the system that crushes innovation, creativity, true merit. Start demanding that trust, capital power follow fundamental ability, not who you know or where you come from. Build meritocracy from the ground up at every level within your networks, your investments, your teams. Next, understand this. Connection is your weapon and your shield. Isolation kills societies faster than any external attack, but not connection as the masses know it, meaningless social media or bland networking. No, real connection. Fierce complementary alliances between the rare few who aren't fooled by the lies and are ready to reshape the future. You, the founders, the investors, the professionals who see beyond borders and division, must weave yourself into networks of trust and relentless support. Together, you create a living structure that no failing system can break, an autonomous framework where ideas do more than survive. They explode. Stop tolerating mediocrity disguised as equality. Freedom demands that you cultivate extreme individual responsibility. Build yourself daily. Push boundaries. Reject comfort. Embrace diversity not because it's nice, but because it's the permanent, raw condition of reality. Tolerate it strategically, because diversity breeds resilience and innovation in ways that uniformity can never touch. Your future depends on this brutal acceptance. And here's the final edge no one will give you, so listen closely. Transcending human limits is not science fiction. It's a necessity. Look to technology, to global collaboration, to the radical democratization of knowledge, not as abstract ideals, but as weapons to shatter old patterns. Use capitalism not for profit alone, but to fund the impossible dreams that the old system fears. This is where real stability lives, not in comfort, but in continuous challenge, in dynamic meritocracy, in strategic globalization that doesn't dissolve borders, but transcends them. Every second you hesitate, the fragile house moves closer to collapse. Stability is yours to seize, but only if you storm the battlefield with fierce clarity and ruthless drive. This video is your ignition. Refuse illusions, demand results. Connect with the few, the rare, the driven. Rewrite the rules, own your power, break free. The future is not a gift, it's a conquest, and you are the ones who will win it.